Founded in 1902, Peterboro has always been a family-owned and operated business in the heart of Peterboro, Ontario. Being around for so long, people over the years have often asked how we keep our rich history and tradition alive. And to that, we answer that from early on, we knew the importance of consistent quality and persistent innovation, pushing the envelope to strive to do better and offer the best. The best in our products, the best in our service, and in our relationships with our partners. Now, you may wonder how persistent innovation can help preserve our tradition, but the fact is, quality and innovation is our tradition, and that's deeply rooted in our history. As we reflect on our 120th year in business, we know that it is these traditions, ingrained in each one of our dedicated and passionate team members, that enables us to continue to produce and supply the best selection of matboard products to the custom framing industry today. We thank our tremendous business partners and our valued customers, whose recognition of our core values and traditions has kept Peterboro at the forefront of the matboard industry for all of these years. To learn more about our history, visit our website at peterboromatboards.com.